Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Weekend weather was perfect. We should have good weather this week. The 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day is beginning to change. It's showing normal to below temperatures and normal rains for the most part. So all in all, this is a good harvest outlook. It'll help, I think, the harvest, and also doesn't really show any real extreme cold temperatures to cause an early freeze. I think the market thinks that the corn and bean harvest will be near 20 to 20%, 20 to 22% done. Yields are coming in very good for the beans, and for corn it's kind of a mixed bag. A lot has to do with planting date and also how much rain you got after planting. USDA's got a report this week. Most people look for bigger stocks than a year ago for corn, beans, and wheat, and the final wheat crop pretty close, maybe a little bit lower than what the USDA is using because of a lower soft red winter wheat crop. Outside markets are mixed. You got the dollar is a little bit higher. Crude, most commodities are lower, and U.S. stocks are going to open up a little bit lower. We'll also be watching to see last week the Chinese signed an agreement to buy 13.2 million tons of U.S. soybeans, so we'll see if any of that is announced this week, and or if it's a mixture of this marketing year and next marketing year, and just how much the Chinese are going to take. When you look at some of the charts, we're near 2-month highs in some of these markets, right in front of harvest. I think the market feels in general that the soybeans should trend lower because of the big South American supply. I think the corn market and wheat markets are trying to make a bottom, and we'll see if we either retest those bottoms or actually start seeing a little bit higher trade. Funds right now, there's continue to be short beans and wheat, long corn, and the keys, I guess, the three keys. Number one will be just how much grain is moved during this harvest. Number two, the fund activity and which the volume is going to go. And then number three, the USDA report on Wednesday. Again, we don't expect much of a market reaction, but it will underscore that there's too much supply today in the world. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.